Limit screen time, understanding its importance. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and contemporary phrase, limit screen time. This phrase is increasingly used in our daily lives, especially in the context of health and technology. Let's dive into what it means, why it's important, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Limit screen time is a phrase composed of two main parts, limit and screen time. Limit means to set a boundary or restriction on something. Screen time refers to the amount of time spent looking at the display of computers, smartphones, tablets, or TVs. Therefore, limit screen time essentially means to set a restriction on the amount of time spent using devices with screens. It's a phrase commonly associated with health recommendations and digital well-being. In this section, we'll discuss why it's important to limit screen time. Excessive use of devices can lead to various health issues like eye strain, poor posture, and disrupted sleep patterns. It can also affect mental health, reducing the time spent on physical activities and face-to-face interactions. By understanding and using this phrase, you can talk about balancing technology in your life in English, which is a very relevant topic in today's digital age. Let's look at some examples of how to use limit screen time in everyday English. My doctor advised me to limit my screen time before bed to improve my sleep. We are trying to limit screen time for our children, so they spend more time outdoors. I've set an app to help me limit my screen time during work hours for better productivity. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing the importance of a balanced approach to using technology. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, limit screen time, and its significance in our modern lives. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding phrases that reflect our current lifestyle and challenges. Stay healthy, balanced, and keep learning. See you in our next video.